Now, if you're looking to take your audio experience, especially on the road, to the next level, or your gaming experience, and you'd like to do this either with a wired or a Bluetooth connection, well, you're going to want to watch this video because today we're taking a look at the Audeze Euclid. These are planar magnetic earbuds. Again, something that you don't really hear in this class or category, especially something like this small, that give you studio grade audio. And not just audio for music enjoyment, but for gaming too. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the Audeze Euclid are 18mm planar magnetic. And we've seen the larger cans that go over your ears that are planar magnetic, and they give you some amazing audio experiences. Now, what makes these so special not only is the fact that they're this small, but also the fact that they have both a cabled experience, which is important for those of you who are very purist and want the best audio experience, but then they also have a Bluetooth experience. Bluetooth 5.0 with up to 8 hours. Now, these are aluminum milled in their body, right? So this is high end. When you put these on and you grab them, you go like, wow, they're really substantial in your hand, but they don't have a terrible amount of weight either. Now, they do come with a lot of different options when it comes to giving you the best seal so you can get the best audio experience. So basically they have Audeze silicone. They also have SpinFit silicone, and then they also have Comply foam. Again, going to give you that greater seal. That seal is going to also help you have a better soundstage. I'd say overall, it just gives you a better experience. So having the right, I would say, silicone component is going to give you that best experience. Now, it also comes with a series of cables that we're going to see in a couple seconds. So it has Pentacom balanced cables, it has a 3.5 mmX cable, and also has a 4.4 Pentagon cable that you're going to be able to look at. So we're going to take a closer look at this. We're going to give you an audio sample so that you can hear how these sound. And what I'll say is, straight off the bat, you're going to have a level of clarity and definition that you probably couldn't have ever imagined. It's like going from standard television to 4K, and you're probably never going to want to go back. So let's take a look at what's included, and we'll see why these may be your next, again, audiophile high-end earbuds. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, you get a lot of accessories. I'm going to start with the tips because there's a lot of different options here. So first of all, these are, again, your SpinFit tips. And these, again, it's going to basically be based on your type, and you saw what these look like on. I'm going to put them on in a couple seconds again. But you could use either a SpinFit if this is something that you like. You could also use Comply foam, which is what you see here. So here is Comply foam. And then you have some ear tips that are Audeze's. You'll notice that you also have here a cleaning tool that you'll be able to use to clean out your ear tips as well. And then you have this little cable clip that you'll be able to do, clip this to your shirt if you're going to be using the wired version. Now, in addition to all of these accessories, you also have a really nice rugged case, right? So we'll go ahead and open this up, and you have some certificate of authenticity so that you know that this is legit. You have this little travel pouch for cables, and then this is where everything kind of rests once you're done with them, because you're able to take these out. And remember, these are monitor style earbuds, so they're not like some of the earbuds that we've looked at on the channel before. So we're going to move this over to the side, and I'll take a look at the cabling that you get, and then also the Bluetooth. All right, so this is what the cabling looks like. And this is a longer cable, yes it is. A lot of you are going to be looking at that. But here basically, because these are monitor type earbuds, this is what the actual connectors look like. And then also these are what the controls look like. So you can see that right here, right? And this is what is going to connect. Here's another option for you. Again, this is the part that you're going to see in a couple seconds that will go around the back of your cartilage. Really nice braided cable. And again, if you're really looking for a better audio experience, always highly recommend using the cables. Now, here I have another cable, right? And you can see this one right here, really, really high quality braided cable. Let's see what that looks like. All right. And then let's take a look at the earbuds. So I have these actually connected to it so I can show you how these work. All right, so again, larger, right? But these are designed to be more like monitors, so they're going to go in your ear. And again, aluminum type material. And they do swivel, and let me just show you how you take these apart. All you do is just pull them out like this, and this is what you would put them in the case as, and then when you're switching from Bluetooth or you're switching to one of the other cables, all you have to do is connect it like this. So let me show you what this looks like. So I'm going to put one in my ear, and remember, if you've seen, any kind of musician, gone to a concert, and you've seen them wear these, these earbuds that are really close, right, that lock in, this is how these look. So let me just put this in place right there. So you'll notice that they don't really have a large profile, even though they are large. They do go in your ear canal, but again, they're not powered, they're not battery operated. There's nothing to press, right? These are all powered through the cable or through the Bluetooth side. So let me go ahead and turn to the right so you can see what this looks like, and you can see how the cable goes right here. Let me turn to the left so you can see it. And again, super duper low profile, but packed with audio. We're talking about bass, mids, and highs all present, great music separation, super duper soundstage, being able to really appreciate everything that's going on. But one of the things I will tell you is that, what I found is I can run these on my Samsung Galaxy Tab or my S22 Ultra. Also, I can connect them to my iPhone. But one of the things I have to highlight is that really, even the Bluetooth is going to work. You need something to push these, right? So I've had great experiences connecting them to my S22 and also my Fold. But what I'll tell you is that I've been using an adapter. I've been using a DAC that is going to push that a little bit higher so I can get the very rich thump that I want, and also the audio quality that I'm looking for with these. But this is what they look like, right? And I'll show you what I used to get the audio experience that is, I would just have to say, is pretty amazing. So really, that's all there's to it, right? You basically plug this into your phone, or you use the Bluetooth 5.0 adapter that's going to give you 8 hours of battery life, and then you're off to listening some amazing tracks or gameplay. So that's one of the things I mentioned as well. For gaming, these sound pretty spectacular too. So if you're looking at gameplay and you really want to have an immersive experience, a lot of situational awareness in the game itself, these do fantastically well. And again, wired or Bluetooth. Now in my case, I'm using this DAC right here. This is what I used in order to get the best audio experience, at least because my phone don't really have the audio jack on it, and I was going to need to plug them into via USB-C anyway. So I used this converter, or this DAC, this portable DAC. So I just plugged it in right here, and then plug this into my phones and also my iPad, and that's where I really got the best audio experience. So let me share with you what the audio sounds like in these next samples. So make sure you're wearing some headphones or earbuds. It's going to get loud. It's really going to get loud.
When I shut my feelings out, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
So guys, that wraps up our review of the Audeze Euclid. If you're looking for the best in audio, you want to really go all in, have something portable like this, and not wear huge cans, well, this is the way to go. See you in the next video.